This is Julien, the Italian speaker who makes pronunciation videos here on YouTube. Yes, Italian pronunciation videos. And we are looking at a type of pasta from Italy. And we are going to be looking at the two different types of penne pasta. And later we will look at how you pronounce penne with the typical Italian pronunciation. So there are two types of penne pasta. The first one being called the penne rigate. Penne rigate meaning grooved. So those penne pastas that have the shape of a tube are the rigate type are grooved, while the lisce one, the penne lisce, are smooth to the surface. So two types, penne lisce and penne rigate. So how do you go about pronouncing penne with the typical Italian pronunciation? Well, because there is a double N to penne, well, obviously do not say pini, but rather penne. But because there is a double N, you do want to emphasize and insist, accentuate on the double N. So say penne, penne. So you sort of have to stop on the N in the middle. Penne, penne rigate, and penne lisce. Penne rigate, penne lisce. Penne pasta from Italy. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of French and Italian pronunciations. Au revoir. Bye bye.